I have begun planting for pollinators. Year after year, more bees and butterflies and hummingbirds show up. However, I have had an increase in creepy, crawly things too, skinks and even a snake. Pollinators are welcome. Creepy crawlies, not so much. What can we do to keep the pollinators but deter the other creatures? This is Cherie from South Haven, Mississippi. All right, Cherie, so just so happy we have Mary here from Lichterman Nature Center. She's going to tell us a little bit about these creepy crawly creatures, right?
Yeah, and first I wanted to say, Cherie, you're doing a great job attracting pollinators, right? Pollinators need our help. She sent a great picture.
Oh, beautiful picture.
Yeah, black swallowtails, which is the caterpillar. It's going to turn into this really nice big butterfly. So you're doing a great job.
Doing good.
But what she's doing is something that we encourage, so she's creating a habitat. Everything in nature is interconnected. And so by providing this habitat for the pollinators, she's also creating an environment or a habitat for these other creatures too. And so I would say just enjoy it. You can enjoy it from a distance, but she's doing a great job. If you're starting to see skinks and snakes show up in your yard because you're attracting pollinators, you're doing the right thing. You're doing a great job. You're creating this food web, and you're creating this habitat for a lot of our native animals and insects. And so keep up the good work, and maybe just enjoy it from a distance when you see those creepy crawlies. But you're doing great. She's doing a great job.
Cherie, I'm going to leave it there. You're doing a great job.
She is. It's great.
I knew you would like this.
Yeah, I did.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.